got new love. When push comes to shove, sending these busters up above. They trying to love me up in this hell, I'm sweating up hell, thinking on the plan. Never raised on the niggas, they bloodshed, if I had to one with killer, man, I done done it before. That's what I wanted in 50 stacks. With the 30 day, and I say for me anyway. Wherever I go, somehow, always trying to do me. Get so much that I crush these busters with my fucking boots. For nobody, cause got static with the wicked. I envy this fucking clip and let you live. This whole play, bitch. I'm taking more shells than you know shit. The combination of me and the 90 was homicide, my favorite potion. So many motion, niggas you stuck. It's that love, niggas they just the dust. They get the thugs, I get the now sticking the clip, I pull this switch, I gotta get mine on me fucking fast. Put the cash in the bag, put the bag on my hands, so the skin will go down the plate. I'm broke as a bitch, every day I keep hustling. Turn up that lip, tryna hit that lip, cause a nigga still struggling. These slugs through your motherfucking mud, I'll blow your skull, I'll put no love. Pin around a gun, try to run, I'ma fuck that whole shit up. I got to get mine, so I'ma take yours. Me and my shit got needs, this shit ain't free at the store. It's dumped up the pulse in your mud, blood splashed on my face from the evil ass discharge. Empty your pockets, just break yourself on my vernacular speed. Don't try that shit, you make one move, you get your cap pipped. I need things like your paper. Drop down that gold chain in your pager. Cause when you like, you lose. I did the crime. Don't be no butterfly, cause I'm a G, yeah, man. Intoxicated just like flash. These bitches won't last. When I raid with a match and a buckshot spread. No niggas laying body bags. 12 gauge front page. Now what's my fucking name? L.O.E. And yo, what ain't a damn thing? Just let me solo point straight through your fucking chest. I'll be done and payback. No time to lay back, niggas. Visions on my little brother and punk motherfuckers, the busters that try to take my homie under. Looking at him in the hospital bed with slugs in his back and his motherfucking head. They said he might not pull through. I'll taste another swig of the brew to try to eat me some of the brain too. Cause 45 pills my brain. Just say I'm gone with the wind, cause now I'm insane. With my hand on the double barrel gauge, that's the Spanish bitches to send them to their bloody grave. Now we rolling in the stolen car across town. Bust the ladies, bust us down. See the niggas in the club, motherfuck 'em up with a 12 gauge inside my hand. Put the barrel to his chin, pull the trigger back, cracked and blew off his fucking head. Four niggas try to run. The sounds of my fucking mat. Put the gag in the stroller, the niggas don't crack, I'm back, rolled up, pay back, cause I'm